Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well. Alright, in the last lecture we looked at the biggest nation in cosmics. Okay, this is a new channel that is presenting videos about this topic. First, let me show you when this channel was created. Okay, it was around January 29th, 2022, 26th. He has uploaded 23 videos, so you can see that his views are also quite good. And if we talk about his earnings, this channel is monetized, completely monetized, and its estimated earnings are around 29.1k. He is also uploading on 3 videos, and the average length is 17 minutes. You can see that some videos are longer, some are shorter. First of all, let me show you his videos. We are going to take a much deeper look into exactly how he is managing and running this specific channel. You can clearly see for yourself right here, alright? We will go into significantly more detail about how to create this, how to manage it, and all of these different things. In this section, we will provide you with a very comprehensive and roundabout overview of every single aspect. You can clearly see that ads are currently running on it right now.
The ads are running, all right.
You can also see the entire overview of the channel in front of you. Alright, you have all the stats for the first 7 days for 24 hours. Everything is right here. You can see its views and its progress. I'll show you the video and then we'll talk further.
Now let's go through the exact process of how to create this step by step. We want to make sure we cover everything clearly. Does that sound like a good plan to you?
This essentially means that professional voiceovers are also being used in conjunction with it. Here is a comprehensive overview of how it works. Now, we will also move on to the specific process of how to create this yourself. You will clearly see that its videos are currently getting a very decent number of views. These are its total views in just 7 days, which is quite a good number for this niche. If we go and look at its most popular videos, you will also see this trend continuing. However, as we look around at the many different people who make up our community today, it is important to realize that there are individuals living right here among us who may be hiding something significant or possess qualities that we simply do not see during our everyday interactions. We need to copy this. After copying, we have to go to 4GBD and paste it here. After pasting, we need to copy it again. These are the training topics that we need to find out and see what it has given us. It has given us the topics. Now we need to go to script writing. Now we have to copy all of the script writing from here. And okay, input fair system. This is all script writing. All right. From this place, what we need to do is copy it like this. After copying, we have to take it to Mesapto. Once that's done, we just have to paste it right here. At this point, you can see that you need to insert the topic. What we have to do here is select any one topic from this list. Suppose we are choosing this topic. In the same way, we will paste it here and then press enter. Now what it will do for us is, as you can see right here, it is going to get the entire script ready and prepared for us. Okay, what it is doing right now is carefully writing out the full script and giving it directly to us. Now we will almost have this completed script with us. Alright, it is preparing the entire script for us in real time. After this is finished, our further process will be that we will go to the next stage of high quality image generation, and then we will finally create and save our videos. After that, we will edit and refine the content further, seamlessly integrate all the individual scenes together into a cohesive whole, add professional voiceovers, generate accurate captions along with it, and step by step we will keep moving forward with the process. Alright, this script is almost ready and has been given to us. Now what we need to do now is take this entire script one by one from here, carefully select each segment, pick it up, and then paste it at our designated place, okay? Alright, now we have come to this point. Now we need to take it from here. You have to move it step by step. I will tell you about free tools for this. There is the SpeechMate free tool, and you can also use Minimax with it, okay? We have different tools that you can use as well. I am telling you about two tools. before presenting it at your place, clip it. I will show you by generating small parts how we have to do this and how to proceed with it, okay? Next, you need to insert these codes into it, and at this point you can choose any voice you want from here. You should preferably select the male voice. It's better to use a male voice. And at this point, what you need to do is click on generate. As soon as you click on generate, your process will start, and then your voice will begin to generate at this stage. Then we will move further towards our prompts. So let's take a closer look at what exactly is included in these prompts. Within these specific prompts, we are going to explore the fascinating world of image and video generations. This section will provide us with detailed information regarding the V3 model. You certainly have the option to utilize V3 as well, which is quite versatile. However, for our primary focus today, we will mainly be utilizing the Grok platform, simply because it offers unique advantages for our specific needs. If you have the paid version, then Grok is also paid. It doesn't come for free. For free, you have Pixverse and different options, okay? The scenes we will create, we will generate them using Google Leno, but for further purposes, we use Grok, okay? The benefit of this is that it creates the scene very well, okay? Here we have image generation. First of all, we will also move towards video, but if we focus on images, we can generate images from here. At this spot, there is a video option where you can set it to 720 pixels. You can choose to keep it 10 seconds, 6 seconds, however long you want. In this way, you can select its aspect ratio, for example, for Shorts or for Instagram. We are working for our YouTube, so you need to select this ratio and click on it at this spot. As soon as you click, and you need to click on it here and press OK, your video rendering will start. Now let's move further and see how the voice we generated turned out. Let's check how it generated the voice. This is a bit delayed.
See how it has done this. You yourself.
You can watch all of this in an absolutely excellent and professionally produced video where you will see the content displayed in great detail. This high-quality visual presentation is designed to provide a much clearer perspective, allowing you to witness every important aspect of the subject matter as it unfolds. By engaging with this footage, you will be able to observe the specific elements that make this topic so fascinating, ensuring you have a complete understanding of everything being presented. If you have this file, it will sync and you can see how long your script is. If the image is less, you can tell it to go to the next, and when you say next, it will generate further images for you according to the script. It will give you additional video image prompts according to the script so that you can fit them into your project. Your video has now been successfully processed into the all-inclusive mode as well. Look, you can also watch the video right now. Your completed video is finally ready for you. For the second scene, you will need to carefully follow these steps to create it exactly like this. Next, you will continue to create all of the remaining scenes one by one in this same way. Let me show you how to create a scene here in much further detail. Right here within this specific section, you will find that you will start generating more scenes in this way. Step by step, you need to proceed with this process and create all the scenes, then take them into CapCut, combine them, apply After Effects, add transitions, and also try to generate captions so that your channel becomes fully monetized and you don't face any problems, okay? In this way, as you continue step by step, you are not violating any policies. YouTube does monetize AI content, but you have to show your own efforts in it, how you demonstrate your efforts, and how you start your channel with it. Okay, this was today's lecture. You will get the prompts. You can contact us on our Instagram or we will share them on our WhatsApp channel. You will get these prompts. If you have any further questions or queries about anything, you can reach out to us. You can ask us, all right? We will provide you with information related to your question, or if you are running your own channel and have any kind of question, you can contact us in the comments. You can ask us in the comments, all right? We will further assist you with that in detail. That was today's lecture, all right? Furthermore, you have already created the next scene. You need to add the voiceover in the track below, all right? From here, you can bring it down. In the speech section, you will download it from this place and your video will be downloaded. Alright, that's all for today's lecture. If you have any further queries or questions, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, bye.